Hello everybody, this is Zach Geisler again with another Revit tutorial using Revit 2020. Um, Today I'm going to be using the same model that I've been using this whole time. It's my three models that I've used for roofing, for walls, for components, for a lot of different things. Anyway, just basic model. Don't judge my drafting skills by what these models look like because I just did them real quick. But anyway, let's get on to this video. This video I'm going to be showing you about cameras and how efficient and useful they can be. Alright, so let's go. This is my 3D view, right? So you can see that. I'm going to go to my level 1 view, which I have here, and you can either double click there or you have it open already. Okay, what you do is this view has a bunch of walls, at least this section does. This is a bunch of walls, components, furniture, windows, different wall items, blah blah blah, a bunch of things in it. So what I'm going to do is I want to see those more clearly, and I'm able to look at them through a 3D view and to kind of get a better sense of what they look like. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the 3D view section right here where you can click the 3D view. If you click the 3D view, it'll just send you back to your 3D view, which you've already seen. Okay, let's go back to level 1 now. But the drop arrow down there, there's this button right here that says camera or camera. Click that button. It brings you up with a little camera. So what you can do is you have that camera and you want to set it. Let's say I want to set it in this room, looking from where you walk in the door. Let's click that. Then it comes up with these three lines, and these three lines are what you're going to see and what you see through. Okay, so what I always do is I like to put them through the wall, a little farther than the walls, like this. Then you get to see the whole room. Because if you put it right here or anywhere not far enough, you're only going to see to where the end of the lines are. Okay, so what I do is I like to go at a kind of an angle to try to see as much as I can, a little bit bigger, and I'm going to click it through the wall. Okay, I'm going to click that. It automatically sends you to this 3D view, which is really cool, really helpful when drafting and when presenting to clients or other things like that. So what I'm going to do down here is I'm going to go make sure I like to have my filter here on fine or medium, just so I can get as much detail as possible. Then I'm going to go here and I'm going to click this box, visual style, and right now I'm on a hidden line, and that's fine and in. You can kind of see what it looks like and everything. But what I like to go is I like to go to realistic, and it really shows what the walls look like, what the ceiling will look like, the bed and the floors. It really gives you a better sense of idea what it's going to look like. And what's really cool about this is once you have that camera in there, you can just adjust it by clicking the outside of it and grabbing the little dots and bringing them out. And I like to always make mine a little bit bigger so I can see more. But you can see that bed clearly in there, the windows, the floor, the ceiling. You can see what that all looks like. And then look down here, you have your 3D views on your project browser. You click open your 3D view section, and you have your 3D view 1, which is this project right here, this tab right here that you're on right here. So what I like to do is I always like to rename that by right clicking, hitting rename, and calling it what it is. So let's just call this bedroom number 1. I'm going to hit number 1, hit enter, and that's number 1 now. So then let's exit out of that one, and you can have as many cameras you'd like in each room. So just to get a better view of that, a different angle of that view, I'm going to go back to camera. I'm going to click it again. Obviously, I don't know if I said this before, but camera is under the view tab. You hit the view tab, you go to the 3D view, you hit the drop down button, hit the camera button, and then instead of going right, last time we started about here and kind of brought it through this way, I'm going to kind of do it from the opposite corner, and I'm going to do it from this corner and bring it all the way through the door and everything. Okay, so this is what you get to see. This helps me know it because as I see now, I see that my TV's on the ground, which is going through my TV stand, so that doesn't really work for me, which is really helpful to see. And like I said before, I'm going to change it again to realistic so I get a better view. And then if you didn't know already, if you're selecting something you don't want to select right now, I'm selecting, looks like the wall or something. I think it's actually maybe the group. But yeah, I'm gonna select this TV. I'm just gonna maybe I have to edit the group first, but I think I hit that button, and see right now it says they're joined together, so that's a little interesting. So what I'm gonna do to fix that, I'm gonna go to my level 1 view. I'm gonna go over here, and for some reason these two are connected together. I mean, I did groups earlier in a different video and made all these, excuse me for sniffling, all these components here one group so I could place them down quickly and easily. But right now, what I just want is the TV. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the group, and I'm going to go back to that 3D view I just had, and where'd my TV go? Disappeared. Oh, because I think I removed it from that group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit cancel. I'm going to go back, see, and I'm going to hit the level 1, and there's my TV right there, and I'm trying to hit tab to hit it, and I'm going to ungroup all of it just to make it easier. Then I'm going to grab just the thing right there, and I think that my TV has got lost somewhere, which is really interesting. Let's just delete this and see what happens. Delete that. Let's just go back a little bit. Let's Control Z, see where I went wrong here. There's my TV back. Okay. So let me go over here. See if I can adjust that TV. Anyway, this is kind of pointless. I kind of got off on a tangent here. Sorry guys, I can go back and fix that later. I just have to do a little bit of tweaking. I don't want to show you guys all in the video how to do that. But cameras can be really effective and efficient to use to see different things that you wouldn't normally see. And they're all right here under your 3D views. And like I said, you can do multiple per room. You can do a camera from the outside. If you do the camera right here, you're going to see that. And you can see the outside of the building. Doesn't have to be just interior, so you can see from that side if you don't like the view you already have. So that's kind of fun. You can get creative with these and do whatever you want with them. But I think they're very helpful and I use them all the time. Anyway, sorry about that TV tangent, guys, but you can skip over that part if you get bored with it. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.